Good morning, student. Today we study the EVS. Next, sixth chapter is each drop. So in class we studied about the flowers and colors of the flowers. So now you are able to identify what is the flower, what are the colors of the flowers and uses of the flowers. Right, children? So here we in this class each drop means water. We studied about water. How do you know the water? Water. So earth, here see, earth is full of water. So this is our earth. So it contains full of water. So what is this? In our earth there is a lot of water and a small region of land. So what we say? There is a lot of water in earth and small part in land is that. Next, a sun, it evaporates heat of a sun. What happened? This is our land. This is our land. Here, this is our tree. This is your home. So like this is your home. See? Then above the earth there is a sun. So what sun gives? Sun gives sunlight. It gives sunlight. So where is the sunlight? So here water is there, right? So this is water. This is water. Due to sunlight, the water is evaporated. That evaporated means the water is converted to gas. Water converted to gas means water convert to gas. Why? Because heat of the sun. So sun provide heat. So sun gives a light, right? Sunlight. Children know. So when we day morning the sun arises, that will give a light, right? Which light? Sunlight. This is provide our heat. Due to the heat, the water in the earth, this is earth, it will evaporate. It is move towards the upward. What happened in move towards upward? When it move, it vapor move to our sky. Vapor means it is in gas. Vapor means gas. Okay, children? So vapor means gas. The earth which have a water, they move towards this evaporation, convert a gas, and here it form a vapor. This is a vapor. So small like particles. What happened? What happened? This small particle around the earth, above the earth. So above the earth. This is earth means above the earth. Okay. Next, when it is cooled, it make water droplet. Water droplet. First, the water in the earth, it is evaporated. Then move towards the sky. Then it form a water. It evaporates and the vapors move to sky. The vapor, the gas particles, right? Move towards evaporated. Then it is converted gas or vapor. It moves to the sky. This is sky. Next, when reaches sky, due to the it cooled and it converted as a water droplet. It become cooled. How become cooled? Due to wind. So this is wind. Is it wind? Wind means it's a cold air. It's a cold air in the sky. It converts gas or vapor to a droplet. It's a water droplet. Okay. So converted it as this vapor is converted as a water droplet. Okay. Have you seen the water droplet? So when what happened? When water droplet, it is very heavy. The water droplets is very heavy. So the water droplets, it could together they make a cloud. So each droplet, like this one droplet, another one droplet, another one. The whole droplet, it makes a cloud. This is cloud. Okay, let's make a cloud. What happened cloud? The water droplets together make a cloud. They float in sky. They float. They float. Have you seen cloud? Watch your sky in evening. There's a lot of clouds are there. They always float. They move through a wind moves to direction. When wind is passes this way, the cloud is floated this way. Okay. So cloud is floated. Then is moved. What happened when cloud is moved? Then the cold wind comes towards the cloud. When to float the cloud is floated. What happened that time? The cold wind. This is cold wind. This is cold wind. It moved towards the cloud. Yeah, we know how the water droplet is converted now. Cloud, right? So what happened? The cold wind comes to a cloud. Then the water droplet is heavier and falling rain. So when cold wind comes to cloud, cold wind cloud comes to through, this contain the cloud has a water droplet, right? These water droplets are very heavy. Then it is fell down as a rain. So these fell down in rain on earth. Where did it fell down? This fell down on a rain. Then what we do? The rain we collected in a ponds. These are ponds or some lake or some streams. We collected the ponds in our lakes and some streams. So again what happened? They again due to the sun provide heat. Due to heat, the again richer pond have a presenting pond have a water, they can evaporate it. So it will give a one cycle process. It is a continuous cycle process. So have you understood, children? Have you understood? So look in your picture, page number 41, there will be given. What will be given? Sea. In this picture, there is a sea is there, river is there, tree is there, home is there. So due to sun, the water in the earth is evaporated. So evaporation. So what happened? The evaporation of the earth did make as a cloud. I told, right? Due to evaporation, it converted as a small vapors. These vapors, due to the wind, it has a converted to droplets. Which droplets? Water droplets. That means the gas or vapor particle in the presence of the wind, they will produce water droplets. Means the gas is now have a water. The water droplets now together is form a cloud. It's a cloud. This cloud is floated to always when cold wind is present. What is this? Cold wind is arrived. The cloud has a heavy droplet which are very heavy. So wind is processed to arrive. they cannot move. So that the water droplets which are present in the cloud, they can fall down as a rain. The cloud is fell down as a rain. Otherwise, when cold wind is arrived, so many clouds are there, right? So many clouds are there. What happened? They will dig. So dash. They will dash. What? When it's dash, they will be broken as a small piece. They break as a small piece. This small piece is a rain. Why? Because cloud has a water droplets. Again, these water drop rain which are stored in collected in ponds or stream or lake. Then again they can evaporate due to the sun. Then it converted as a vapor. Then vapor to gas. Water droplet. Again water droplet to cloud. Then cloud falls to rain. So this is. So have you seen the boiling water in your home? When you take a vessel, when it is boiled, what happened? The water is boiled like this, right? So water is boiled. So have you observed this vapor? So what do you mean? Here water in which state? Is in a liquid state. It converted to as is a gas form or vapor, right? So where we use the water, children? Where we use the water in? Yeah, we use in water as a washing clothes and washing hand, vessels, car or any vehicle, Activa, scooty, bike, etc. Where we use so many cases, right? Then we use in cooking, then we use in bath, for bath, then we have to use for it so many ways. So in this class we studied what is water, how water is obtained in earth, then uses of water, then how water is converted as a vapor, etc. So if you have any doubt, you will ask me. So next class we continue this chapter. Thank you.